So Kachal is an island. It is correct. It is part of Nicobar group of island. This is also correct. Nankauri is an island in the Nicobar group. This is also correct. Kachal and Nankauri are more than 100 miles apart. Kachal and Nankauri are not more than 100 miles apart. This we know because there is map given, and in this map scale is also given. So we can measure that there is no more distance than 100 miles. This is not more than 100 miles. Then fifth is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands to the southeast of India. साउथ ईस्ट ऑफ इंडिया में है, नॉट साउथ वेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. Question is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are to the west of India, but correct answer is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are to the southeast of India. Sixth point, Nicobar Islands are to the north of the Andaman Islands. And the answer is the Nicobar Islands are to the south of Andaman Islands. Clear? So we are going to start. A tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. So as we see the title, the first question raises in our mind, that is, what is tsunami? Tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival. Courage and survival. Courage means हिम्मत, और survival उस दौरान जो घटना उस दौरान घटी, बहुत सारा पानी आया, भूकंप आया, बहुत सारा डिस्ट्रक्शन हुआ, विनाश हुआ, तो उस दौरान जो लोग जिंदा रहे उनकी कहानी. Did animals sense that a tsunami was coming? It means whether the animals have earlier the thinking that something is went wrong. Some stories suggest that they did. जो हम स्टोरीज पढ़ेंगे उनमें से कुछ स्टोरीज से हमें पता चलता है कि ऐसा हो सकता है. These stories are all from Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Archipelago means a group of many islands and the surrounding sea. The group of many islands. Archipelago means the group of many islands and the surrounding sea. हिंदी में कहते हैं द्वीप समूह. So now we begin story. Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachal. Kachal is an island. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. 6 बजे वाइफ उसकी उठाती है because she felt an earthquake. She felt an earthquake. She felt some trembling in earth, so she wake up her husband. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Ignatius क्या करता है, टेबल से टीवी को उठाया और उसे ग्राउंड पे रख दिया ताकि वो गिरे ना. Then the family rushed out of the house and then they came out from the house. When the tremors stopped, tremors means earthquake. When the tremors stopped, They saw the sea rising. They saw that the sea was coming upside. जैसे दूध में उफान आता है वैसे ही सी में पानी ऊपर उठ रहा था. In the chaos and confusion. Chaos means also confusion. In the confusion, two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father, means नाना जी. कंफ्यूजन में दो बच्चों ने नाना जी का हाथ पकड़ लिया. एंड मदर्स ब्रदर एंड rushed इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. जिस डायरेक्शन से वाटर आ रहा था, जो सी राइजिंग दिखाई दे रहा था, उससे अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में वो दौड़ने लगे. ही नेवर सॉ देम अगेन, मीन्स दे नेवर मेट अगेन, बिकॉज मे बी दे वर डेड. His wife was also swept away. Swept away means वो भी पानी के साथ बह गई. Only the 3 other children who came with him were saved. जो 3 बच्चे उसके साथ थे, इग्निशियस के साथ थे, सिर्फ वो बच्चे ही बच पाए. Another story. Sanjeev was a policeman serving in the Kachal island of the Nicobar group of islands. पुलिसमैन है जो कच्चल में ही अपनी सर्विस दे रहा है. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter from the waves. उसने खुद को, अपनी वाइफ को और डॉटर को बचा लिया. But then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. He heard a sound, help, help, help. Then Sanjeev jumped into the wave to rescue her. Rescue means to save her, but they were both swept away. They were washed away with water. 13-year-old Meghna was swept away. This is third story. 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. मेघना उसके पेरेंट्स और अदर 77 पीपल के साथ वो भी वॉश्ड अवे हो गई. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on to a wooden door. एक लकड़ी के दरवाजे पर उसे पकड़ के उसके ऊपर बैठकर 2 दिन उसने समुद्र में तैरते हुए बिताए. Even times she saw relief helicopters overhead. Relief helicopters, the helicopters bringing help to people who were in danger. So helicopters she saw, but they did not see her. She was brought to the shore. She was brought to the shore by wave and was found walking on the seashore in daze. Daze क्या होता है? Surprise. Daze means surprise. So वो बहते हुए वेव के थ्रू किनारे पर पहुंची और किनारे पर लोगों ने उसे सरप्राइज्ड हालत में, मतलब शॉकिंग हालत में उसे वहाँ पर चलते हुए देखा. Archipelago, I have told you already, a group of many islands and the surrounding sea. Tremor, a slight shake. Shake means hilna. Earth tremors. The earth shakes during the earthquake. You know very well. जब भूकंप आता है तो धरती हिलती है. Chaos. Chaos means complete disorder or confusion. Relief helicopters. Helicopters bringing help to people during floods. Recede. Recede. Move back from where it was. पीछे हटना. Traumatized. Traumatized means completely shocked and distressed. Distressed means in tension. Almas Javed. This is another story. Almas Javed was 10-year-old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair where her father had a petrol pump. Almas Javed एक लड़की है जो कि 10 साल की है. कार्मल कन्वेंट पोर्ट ब्लेयर में पढ़ती है. उसके फादर एक पेट्रोल पंप है उनके पास. Her mother Rahela's home was in ननकोवरी आइलैंड. उसकी माँ का घर कहाँ है? ननकोवरी आइलैंड में है. द फैमिली हैड गॉन देयर टू सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस. दे वर गोन टू सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस इन ननकोवरी आइलैंड. When the tremors came, tremors means shaking of earth. When the tremors came early in the morning, the family was sleeping. They all were sleeping. When earth was shaking, they all were sleeping. Almas's father saw the sea water recede. Recede we have discussed, to move back. एल्मस के फादर ने देखा कि वाटर जो है पीछे हट रहा है. He understood that the water would come rushing back with great force. He understood that water will come with great force. It means बहुत जोर से, बहुत एकदम धमाके के साथ पानी वापस आएगा. He woke everyone up and tried to rush them to a safer place. उसने सबको उठाया और एक सेफ जगह पर जाने के लिए दौड़ पड़े. As they ran, her grandfather was hit on the head by something and he fell down. As they ran, they were running. Her grandfather was hit on the head by something. कुछ उनके सिर पे गिरा and he fell down. They rushed to help him. Then came the first giant wave that swept both of them away. वो अपने उसके फादर जो है उनकी हेल्प करने के लिए, ग्रैंडफादर की हेल्प करने के लिए गए, लेकिन बहुत बड़ी वेव आई और दोनों को साथ में बहाकर ले गई. Almas's mother and aunt stood clinched to the leaves of coconut tree calling out to her. एल्मस की मदर और आंट. क्लिंग होता है टू ग्रिप टाइटली, टू होल्ड टाइटली, किसी चीज़ को पकड़े रखना. कोकोनट ट्री के पत्तों से वो तेजी से उनको टाइटली पकड़े रखा. अ वेव uprooted the tree. Uprooted means uprooted, roots comes out, root come out, that is uprooted. जो ट्री है उसकी रूट्स निकल आती हैं and they too were washed away, और वो भी बह जाती हैं. एल्मस saw a log of wood floating. एल्मस ने देखा कि एक log of wood, जैसे ट्रैंक होता है, पेड़ का ट्रैंक होता है, वो पानी में बह रहा था. She climbed on to it. वह इस पे चढ़ जाती है. Then she fainted. Faint means बेहोश हो जाना, unconscious. When she woke up, she was in a hospital in Kamorta. She was in a hospital when she came up. उसे नहीं पता कि वो कैसे हॉस्पिटल पहुंची. From there she was brought to Port Blair. और वहाँ से फिर उसे पोर्ट ब्लेयर लाया गया. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is still traumatized. Traumatized means shocked, surprised, sad, in tension. She was in tension, so she did not want to tell about this to anyone. Comprehension check. Say whether the following are true or false. Igneous lost his wife, his two children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. So, what is right, what is wrong? First thing is true. Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. This is false. Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. This is also false. Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. Almas को पता चल गया था? Yes, true. Almas के father को पता चल गया था. Her mother and aunt were washed away with the tree that they were holding on to. This is also true. That is all about the first part. So we will do next part in the next video. Thank you.